How to fix sorry, your PC doesn't meet the hardware requirements for captures in Windows. 1. Check hardware requirements. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Enable game DVR. Note, you need to download gamevar_config.exe at https://github.com/funkyfr3sh/gamevr_config/releases. 3. Update display drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Enable Windows game recording and broadcasting. To do so, enable Windows game recording and broadcasting at computer configuration /administrative templates /Windows components /Windows game recording and broadcasting in group policy editor. 5. Delete all game DVR files at computer /h_current_user/software/Microsoft/Windows/current version /game DVR in registry editor. Restart your device.